it's a question of how you are going to interface with your bank, not just through a mobile app, which is already yesterday's technology, not yesteryear's technology. But then, so the next phase of evolution of this mobile banking experience, and I think the direction in which we're going is, I don't think it's particularly original, this thought, it's dialogue-based kind of financial assistant. There's been a few attempts at this in the past, but nothing that's really worked so far. The reason why it hasn't worked is because the tech just wasn't there. Now it is. So even in Tinkoff, when we were launching, we really deployed AI, all sorts of AI solutions inside Tinkoff. We genuinely did, but it was a bit clunky. So to deploy AI even in a chatbot was actually very, very difficult. So you had to think all the use cases. You start with the most popular use case, and it was like pulling teeth to implement this use case. Really painful, quite long, very labor intensive, lots of mistakes along the way. Because that was the old AI before pre-generative AI. And now we have Gen AI. It speeds everything up because you can plug in the whole of the internet as opposed to just your own database. And it just completely blown everything out of the water, what we had even a couple of years ago. And so what we're doing in TBC Uzbekistan right now is using this new technology with some amazing guys who built Yandex Alisa, Sberbank Devices, for example, this amazing team who are now inside TBC to build this dialogue assistant-based approach, dialogue banking in the mobile app, and who knows, maybe we'll use other form factors as well, which will give you an assistant to help you with all of your financial, quasi-financial, maybe non-financial questions, requirements, daily chores, whatever it is you need to do. Help make your life easier. But also, this is the very intriguing bit, we'll actually be able to travel with you. So it's not necessarily rooted in TBC or whatever the financial services provider is. You will have this personal assistant or personal manager that knows you, that's trained on your own data as well, that will be able to travel with you and help you solve problems elsewhere, which I think is quite fascinating, and I think that's where we're going.